Right, good morning everyone. Cole here. Yeah, hope you're all fit and well. I'm in Benidorm for a couple of weeks. Just having a little walk down to Levante Beach. Starting off at the Hotel Helios. Staying in the Caravan. Like we toured down with the Caravan from the northeast down to Benidorm for a couple of weeks. So Hotel Helios, starting off my walk from here, and then I'm going to go down to Levante Beach, find somewhere to have a coffee and Baileys, maybe do a bit of shopping. So I'll just let you enjoy the views. So a little walk through Benidorm. First time we've been here. Well, we were here last February, March 2024. We flew down then. First time we've brought the Caravan down since before COVID. We used to come down at least twice a year with the Caravan, staying on camping Villasol. Usually in the June and the September. Then we were at Christmas, camping in Caravan and Club Rally used to be on, camping on Mafra. And then later on we were on camping Villamar. Had the Caravan on camping Villamar, sort of on a permanent pitch for a while. Decided that we weren't using it that much. So we took it back to the UK. In the January, can't remember when COVID actually started now, so we took it back to UK in the January, and then we went into lockdown. I think it was in the March. Was it 2020 or 2021? I've lost completely track of time. I don't know about you. Strange times. Just coming down to one of our favourite bars now. We usually come into the Outback bar, watch the football. Like the theme in there, so crocodiles on the floor. Mind your ankles and your legs. Yeah, temperature, what's the date today is 30th of May 2025. We set off from the UK Sunday the 25th of May. Drove down to Portsmouth, got the overnight ferry, Brittany Ferries, La Galicia. Had the club lounge, which was quality, a bit like an airport. Posh airport lounge really. That was and that got into Bilbao on the Tuesday morning, so that would have been the 27th. Stayed in Zaragoza overnight on the 27th, and then drove down to Benidorm on the 28th on Wednesday. So we've been here a couple of days now. This is another bar which I use. This one's excellent. This is the Gold Dollar Saloon. That's another one that we come in and watch the football and the sports and what have you. That's a good bar. The supermarket next door, you can get all your fresh breads and your croissants, etc. Yeah, we go in there quite a lot because I like the old croissants and chocolate pans, pan au raisin. Don't know about you. Probably eat too many of them. Have you seen that Weetabix advert? If you've seen it about the croissants, we eat too many croissants, put us a comment in. No, es el parque. That was good there. I waited for the green man. Yes, I'm just coming down towards Levante Beach now. Get some exercise in while I'm here. Yeah, get out walking every day. Yeah, Camp and Villasol, they've made a lot of improvements since we were last here. Every pitch now on the post got the electricity, TV connection, Wi-Fi, water, drainage. It's quite a busy site at the moment. Just stop here and let you take the views in a little bit. Hello, hola. That was nice. Had a nice hello there. Benidorm Island over there. Okay, so carry on walking down to the Rincon area. Usually find a little bar there to coffee and Baileys. It's one of my favourite things to do actually when I'm in Benidorm, is have a walk down to Levante Beach early doors. It's not that early today. I normally come out a bit earlier than this. Had a few things to do first thing this morning. Hope you're enjoying the views. Have a quick look behind me. Copacabana. Season's getting into full swing now. Well, not quite full swing, I suppose. It's up, it's early summer now. If you haven't been to Benidorm before, it's not as bad as what people say. I know a lot of people have come down here for stags and hens who've had brilliant times. Can get a bit rowdy and down the strip at night time, but there's lots of places where you can have a quiet drink. Entertainment down here is second to none. Just have to pick and choose your areas. It depends what you want, what you're down here for. I think we've been coming to Benidorm for about 9 years now, something like that. And I must admit, I was pleasantly surprised when I first came down. I came down for a week on my own. I needed a break. Came down for a week on my own, and then shortly after that, started coming down with the caravan. So I came down in sort of the October, near the end of October that particular year. It was lovely. Got the caravan and came on a camping and caravan and club rally over Christmas and New Year. They don't do the rallies now since COVID on camping Almafra. So they do something similar, which they run it themselves. And obviously people can't stay down here as long as what they used to because of the 90-day rule. What is that? If you know exactly what that means, then put it in the comments if you don't mind. I think it's 90 days and then you have to be gone for 90 days, something like that. Is that right? I get confused. Oh, by the way, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel just yet, I'd really appreciate it if you could. Sort of like and comment, share the video, all the usual stuff. Click the notification bell. We do tend to travel around in the caravan quite a bit. Usually do France or Spain once or twice a year, and then obviously in the UK as well. Got the lazy cow over there. When we haven't had the caravan, well, we have had the caravan, but when we haven't actually used the caravan to come down, I don't know whether you can see it, I'll point it out a bit later on. There's an apartment block over there called Apartamentos Lido. Excellent apartment block, got everything in there that you need. It's right next door to the Hotel Lido. Very popular. If you have a look at it on booking.com, I'm not affiliated to them at all, by the way, although I am a genius and I get a discount. That's if I book, of course. You have a look at the reviews on there. The manager of the bookings and what have you, Ivan, he's a brilliant guy. Can't do enough for you. Very accommodating. If you drive down as well, they've got a car park. I wouldn't have too big a car though in the car park. Costs you about €10 a night or something. This is the Oasis Club, beach club. This used to be waste land a few years ago. Eventually they knocked the buildings down and then built that nice sort of area where you can sort of chill out. So I'm coming to the end of Levante Beach now. I'm at the Rincon end. Hotel Brizza, that's another nice hotel. And a Bikini Beach bar, which is what we usually go in when we're down here. I noticed that they've tidied the front up a bit. So I'm going to get down to the end and then come back to the Bikini Beach bar, because that's usually where I have my coffee and Baileys. Looks quite busy in there already. I think it must be about 10:30 now. This is 10:30 in the morning and it's busy, isn't it? Got the usual, got the McDonald's over there as well. Anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed this little walk from Hotel Helios down to Levante Beach and then along the promenade to the end. And as I say, please like, comment and subscribe if you've enjoyed it. Just give you a little bit of an insight. If you haven't been to Benidorm, give you a little bit of an insight. Or if you are a Benidorm lover and you're not here at the moment, remind you of what it's all about. And we'll stop the video outside the Stag and Pheasant, which is another favourite bar of ours. They bought the bar next door, and then they've knocked the two bars into one. And it's the first time I've actually seen it since they did that. It looks nice. Going around the pool today on the campsite, and then come down to the beach tomorrow. Anyway guys, as I say, I hope you've enjoyed that little walk, short walk down to the far end of Levante Beach, to the Rincon area. Quick scan round, and I'll say bye for now, and no doubt we'll speak again in a day or two.